Hey there, thanks for watching my video today. We've been stuck in the house for a few days because of the weather, so I decided it was time to go for a ride before the weather got bad again. I checked out the weather and saw that it wasn't supposed to rain until about 8:30, so I figured I had plenty of time to do one of my favorite rides down the Trinity Trails system. This ride's about 25 to 30 miles depending on which way I go, and should have put me home around 7:30 before the rain came. It sprinkled on me a little bit during the first part of the ride, but towards the end you'll see it got pretty wet. Enjoy. Thanks. Kind of a cool spot. Kinda sucks to get down here though, especially in mountain bike shoes. At least it's really grippy. Nothing slick out here. Nice and rough. I'm not sure how good this is for my shoes though. Whew. Man, look at that rain starting to come down. It started coming down pretty good right here. I knew it was probably time to get home. I was about 13 miles from the house, give or take. Again, kind of depending on which way I went, but I figured I had at least an hour to get home, so I stopped recording for the most part right here and focused on speed, trying to get back as soon as I could before I got caught in the middle of a storm. Glad I'm almost home. It's been raining on me for the last hour or so. Hasn't been raining too hard. It's kind of let up now, but it's rained just enough to get everything nice and soaked. Got a little water spray coming off my tires. I'm gonna need a shower when I get home for sure. I'm riding by Marine Creek Lake Dam right now, out on 820 access road, and it's gone 25.6 miles. I'm not sure how far it is from here. Maybe a couple miles. These cars are coming fast. All right, hill coming up. So after I got home, I took the water hose and rinsed off the bike to get all the road grime off of there. Then fired up the new electric leaf blower to blow all the water off and get any kind of excess puddling off the water. It works really well. It's my favorite way to dry the bike off now.